So one of the really cool things about PromoTix that I love is the ability to stream your event online as a virtual event right inside of PromoTix. And actually, we own the patent on the ability to stream both in-person and virtual events in the same event checkout flow. So you can offer both in-person tickets and live streaming tickets and even a combo ticket where someone can maybe come to the conference and they can't be there the very last day and they want to go home and watch the rest of the conference online the third day. You can do that all right inside of PromoTix. So Sebastian, give us a tour of how to run a streaming event on PromoTix.
Yeah, so the first step, if you do want to sell live stream tickets, there's this option when setting up your event. And you just select that you want to, create it as a live streaming event, or like you mentioned, Will, like a hybrid where you can actually sell in-person tickets and live stream tickets in the same online checkout page. There are two different options for streaming events. So we have stream on PromoTix. So as the name suggests, the live stream is hosted on PromoTix.com. And the benefit with that option is that every single live stream ticket that we sell through our platform has a unique join link to the live stream, and we can actually gate and make sure that only one device is using a live stream ticket at a time. Now, if you don't want to live stream on PromoTix, you don't have to. That is the unsecured option. So for example, if you wanted to host your live stream through Zoom, you can do so. But in that case, you just put in the join link for the Zoom meeting, which is the same for all attendees. So everyone that purchases a live stream ticket will get the same link to join.
So just to touch on that for a second, I think one of the biggest problems that we solved with this is when you're using, other ticketing products that I won't name, you'll purchase a ticket and then they'll send out the link, even if it's right before the event, let's say they hold it back. But then if the ticket buyer shares that link with their friends or shares it on social media, all of a sudden you have a ton of people that didn't buy tickets that are watching the event. And that's because they don't stream it themselves. And so they can't gate that URL with individualized, secured streamed URLs that are individual for each ticket that's bought. And so it really alleviates with the secured option here the problem of having 100 tickets sold but 1,000 people watching the event. And so the secured option on PromoTix is the way to make sure that every person, at least every device that's watching, has purchased a ticket to the event.
Right. There's nothing we can do to prevent 20 people gathering around a device to watch a live stream, but at least we can prevent, to make sure that multiple people on different devices aren't, using the same live stream ticket to access the stream. So that's it for setting up the event and just, telling the system that you want to sell live stream tickets. So then once it comes time to actually hosting the live stream, you would click on the live stream tab in your PromoTix account in the bottom left here. And this is going to open up or show to you all of the different live stream events that you've created, the secured streaming events. And then you can click on one right here. And this is the back end for actually hosting the stream. So you can see we have a video feed input preview there. We've got a chat window, which this event isn't live, but once it is live, all of the viewers can send in chat messages, which would automatically pop up for you right here. And you've got controls so you can see how long you've been live streaming, how many live stream tickets have been issued, and then out of those tickets, the total number of people that have checked into the stream, the current number of live viewers, the number of people engaging in the chat, and definitely important, the remaining time for the live stream so that it doesn't cut off prematurely on you. And then for getting the live stream going, there's two options here. So you have the Start Cam button, which if I click that, so that's going to open either your webcam, or if you're using Apple's new continuity camera feature, then you can have your new iPhone shooting 4K video quality with background effects, different portrait options. So that way you can get a live stream going with nothing but your phone and PromoTix and immediately start broadcasting live. So the next option is using RTMP. So this is the protocol that all of the major streaming services like Twitch, YouTube, Facebook use. And with this, you can use software such as OBS, or you can have everything up to a professional video switcher and equipment on site at the event. And then the way that you send the final stream output is using RTMP. So we generate a server URL and a stream key. So all software and hardware that supports RTMP, there's a place where you can put in, both of these values right here. And then once you're live streaming, that's going to send the signal to us. That's how we receive it. And then we'll automatically broadcast it out to all of your viewers.
And this is really a good option when you have like multiple cameras that you want to switch in between, or you want to overlay graphics, or maybe you want to run a sponsored, commercial for one of the sponsors during the event. RTMP allows you to get that higher level professional production, graphic overlays, multiple cameras, you name it, you can do it, and then send it out to PromoTix to stream the final broadcast.
Right, so what I'm showing here, this is OBS, free to download, super popular. And you can create different scenes in here with, videos and cameras, different camera angles, and, switch between different scenes, live as you're streaming.
Looks like you were using it for an old demo at one point.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, so that's what I've got playing right here. Yeah, so you can have pre-recorded videos. I actually get that question quite often is, someone's interested in live streaming, but they've already pre-recorded it and they want to stream it live using RTMP with a service like OBS. It's super easy to do that. Yeah, so once customers purchase live stream tickets, they're going to receive a confirmation email that has instructions for them on how to join the live stream. And next to their live stream ticket, there's a link here that says, click here to join the live stream. So they simply click on that link, and that is going to automatically check them in to the stream. We show them a little message here if they want to send chat messages. They just add a username here, and then the stream opens automatically. So they can adjust the volume. There's a full screen option. So all of the standard controls that you would be used to, they have access to. And then they can send chat messages.
Awesome. And I see down there below the chat, if they want to invite friends, they can do that to help drive more ticket sales for you.
Yeah, exactly. So, in order to view the live stream, every person needs a ticket, but they can send out invitations, and then whoever receives that, if they don't have a ticket, then they can easily purchase one.
It looks pretty simple, and thanks so much for showing this off.
Yeah, absolutely.